Hey everyone, welcome back to us. Let's check are we audible or not. So we just created a time because we are not able to uh, complete the questions and practice sessions in uh, alternative time. Let's just change and we'll try to do this in morning session. Okay, let's just check the audible or not. Okay, is it? It's quite low. No issue. Okay, now I see it's audible or not. Does it audible? Hello, 1 2 mic testing. Wait for a few seconds. No issue. Okay, now I think so. It's audible. See, it's audible. It's audible. Fine. Let's continue our session. So we are completing a small document editor, autosave. So whatever we have tried to do, it's auto saving the data, right? So what we have been completed, let's see. We completed the Devon's effect in this question. And what is our problem statement? Okay, let's just okay. So in the problem statement we are having is this phase 4 debouncing autosave. This was a problem and we fixed this out, the debounce effect. And let's see what is remaining. Actually we are having here explanation what was our remaining part. Let's just see this. Okay, you are close. The main issue you are mixing editor state, debounce API state. Okay, I think we have been completed with this. Hmm. Your next step. So here we are. Don't write more code yet. Debounce. Just answer this question. In debounce, where would you store the timer ID so the multiple calls to the same debounce functions can access and same and cancel the previous timer? Okay. Once you get the closure concept will become more much easy clear. You are right, you went too far into the implementation, lost the problem solving flow. Input demands to second API. mm, Original form, we are here actually the old save problem. We have completed the state input trigger save debounce, we have been finished, and we are now in the old save problem. Okay, we are here. Okay, let's understand the question little more deeply and visit a solution so we can have a clear understanding what we are doing. So let's see. We have a fake API which is our server. Okay, and this is a state that we are maintaining, Devon's effect, and this is a closure. We are returning a promise to handle all the data as we want. This is a handle input situation, and whenever we try to do certain thing like app form statement here, inspect this so we can able to see when I try to apple after few seconds we will be able to see our context is filled with apple and our history is a single apple. When I try to do space banana, Now we will be able to see our context is apple and banana, and in history is also changes. But what I see, ID has been not updated. Why it is not just ID updated? Uh, what actually doing? That's also not cleared right now. What is the problem statement actually? Phase 4, debouncing autosave editor. Okay, interview problem: build a small document editor with the autosave. My notes: learning system designing. Okay, this is the kind of a we are having a autosave editor. Okay, whenever the user modifies the document, we need to save it into the server. Okay, Navy implementations, what to do: user types h API call, API call. Okay, like this the API call will be going on. Instead the document should be saved 500 ms after the user stop making changes. Requirement: every edit should schedule an autosave. Okay, a new edit within 5000 ms should cancel the previous schedule save. Only the latest document content should be saved. Saving is asynchronous and may fail. Okay, show saved, saving, save, fail. The debounce mechanism should be reusable and independent of the editor. Okay, interview constraint: don't start by writing debounce. First design what does the state what state does the editor need? What events can trigger the save? Okay, where does the debounce responsibility live? How do you prevent an old save from overwriting new content? What should happen if the component is destroyed while saving is pending? Okay, these are the main important questions, and let us tackle it one by one. The main concept: we will extract, debounce, closure, set timeout, clear timeout. Do I really okay, we are handling the clear timeout. Okay, set timeout also here. Okay, closures, this is a closure, event loop, and async AI. So I think so we are pending the race condition and cleanup, right? Okay. Requirements are every edit should be scheduled and autosave. Schedule and autosave. I think so we are scheduling and autosave, right? If I cut this, it is saving, right? History we can say apple, apple, banana, and apple, banana. And the issue is almost everyone has the same ID. Why it is so? Mm, it's because it's not updating the request ID. What I say is request ID is here, and request ID runs always the debounce when it hits. Mm, yeah, I don't think so. Debounce should work here. I think so. Whenever the handle input changes, it should not it should. Whenever it's call actually. So where it should be handle the request ID. Mm, because it's not updating. You can see the ID is only 111, and I think let's say so where we can set it request ID. We can set in here. I think so. In the promise or Let's figure this out. See here the handle inputs whenever we type to do anything, let's see. So all the things will be changed handle means every changes. We can't use that because not every changes need ID. You can say it's we are saving the history actually properly, but the issue is we are not updating the ID. This should be a different ID. This should be a different ID. And let's figure this out how we are going to manage this. Mm, when we call this, we're save. We are calling here save result await, and here history of push result, right? If a result then ID equals to same, and save dot context equals to result ID. Mm, rather than here, let's update history request ID here. Let's give a try. We will see what happened. Okay, let's have a apple. When I apple, after some time 60 ID 1, history is ID 1. Let's have a banana. Okay, now we can see there is a three different ID 1, 2, 3, and the latest one is saving the saved context. Mm, yeah, now the ID also updated properly, we can see, and data is also context and save context. I think so. Save context should be like this thing, somewhat. Last save context or save context. Do you have any requirement such? Let's see. What was the requirement? Every edit should schedule an autosave. Yeah, every edit is autosave. New edit within 507 should cancel the previous scheduled save. Okay, this is cancel. You can say the clear timeout we are using. Only the latest document content should be saved. Saving is asynchronous and may fail. Okay. Mm, what was the pending thing? Old save problem. Okay. So I think we've completed this thing now. Next question, how do you prevent an old save from overwriting new content? I think so. Old context, which means this is a old context, save context. We have to make sure this saves ID to this data, not the current data. Current data is the context, right? So we have to save this thing. Apple, banana, not banana. Mm, let's see how we're going to save this. If request dot save context equals to request dot ID. Mm, mm, not this. Instead of this, what we can do is save context history dot has been pushed, right? So we will try to do is one state before the current history. We will try to put this. Okay. So state state dot first we'll check state dot history if is greater than 0. It is a array, right? We will check the length. If history's length is greater than 0, so let's make this if I think so. Here it's a lot of work, I think so. So instead of doing here, can we do it outside? Mm, suppose this is a demons and update state. Let's have a function update state. Okay, we are having a function update last state. Update last state. We are having this function and we are supposed to update this system. When we push this, we are checking this. Okay, update the last state. If it is greater than length, I mean it's greater than 0, then save state dot saved context equals to history dot we want the last state, and how we are going to save the last. mm, Length, not this, history, uh history, no, not history, actually we want state dot history. We will deal with this state dot history, and this is the last state. uh, there is the array. We are calling state dot history dot length -1, which is second last, right?